missiles. Cut, boy got wisdom. Fucking on vixens. Smack, whole gang itching. Fucking with the wrong one tripping. Let her run a for the tension. 100 round drawn. Listen, fuck her and I end up missing. Get him knocked out for a ticket. Now my young nigga do the sentence. Whip up the white, win it. Pick up the pipe and she get no pendant. Rockstar living life, landing. You can do better, never.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you my Instagram, Baddie type makeup. The hair also that I do. This hair is from Nadula hair. Check out the links down below. And yeah, let's just get right into the video, guys. So I'm going to do get ready with me today. It's going to be like Instagram get ready with me. Like basically the Instagram makeup and hair that I do. And yeah, this hair is from Nadula hair. And I'm going to just basically show y'all how I'm going to basically get it ready because I just plopped this in my head. So yeah, I installed this unit myself, and yeah, let me try to get it looking good. So I'm going to take the hot comb and just go and pass through the front parts of the hair first, just so we can like kind of get it out of our face and stuff. And for like Instagram, it's easier to have like when your makeup and hair is done and stuff and it looks good, it's just easier overall. And then I'm going to do it on this side too. Okay, as you can see, that has already done wonders to like the front of the hair, so it's really cool. Like now, pretty straight. Now I'm just gonna go in and straighten it, and I'm gonna use this red ceramic pro flat iron. And yeah, it's just I just bought this, and it goes up to $4.50, so I like it pretty much so far. So I really want the babyless one, but we're just gonna keep rolling with this one. And the details on this hair is Nadula hair. It is four bundles of 28 inches and then a 20-inch frontal. It's their straight hair. So yeah, I've never like purchased actual straight hair. I just usually purchase body wave hair and straighten it, but I want to see like if there's a difference, because I just noticed when I purchase body wave hair, I just can't get it straight sometimes, so it's like really annoying.
Do you slide on all your nights like this? Do you try on all your nights like this? Put some spotlight on the slide. Whatever comes too quick. Do you slide on all your nights like this? Do you try on all your nights like this? Put some spotlight on the slide. And whatever comes too quick. All this jewelry ain't no use when it's this dark. It's my favorite part. We see the lights they got so far. It went too fast, we couldn't reach it with the it's on the wrist like a charm, yeah. Man, we still like a heart. We could die all done. We could die all long. We could see it 2020. Twice we could see it till the end. Light on her face. Put that spotlight on her face. We gon' pipe up and turn up. We gon' light up and burn up.
Alright, I'm gonna take the wax stick and I'm just gonna go in and basically like wax my hair so I can get it flatter.
With no brain, bitch, I'm out of it.
I'm gonna do my edges and I'm gonna use this to do them. So it's like the Gorilla Snap glue. I'm gonna take this Paul Mitchell like mousse and put this on eye. Okay, so first I take the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer, and I'm just gonna apply this to my face. I'm gonna take this Too Faced Born This Way foundation. This one is in Cocoa. Damn, I always forget to apply this one. This is the Fasali Skin Tune Blur, and this is the, yeah, I don't know, it's just like a base. Like, it's supposed to blur out your skin, and I've noticed every time I use this, people like compliment my skin. So, yeah, we want to do that for Instagram. We want to blur out everything. Make sure that we don't really have to do much editing to our pictures. Texture of this is just so nice. I just love the way this feels. Whatever. So now I'm going to go in with the Too Faced foundation. And then I'm going to apply this with my Morphe N439 brush and just like tap it in. I focus this around my mouth first because that's like my problem area. You want to make sure you get a foundation that can match you like almost perfectly, so that, I don't know, in different lighting situations that you don't have to keep manipulating your pictures and everything. So that's what I do. This foundation like matches me. I just love the way it matches me very perfectly. So then I go and I then also make sure I blend in my foundation into my frontal. So it won't be like any lines of demarcation and everything's the same shade. So I usually like to see it's like light coverage around everywhere else, which is my mouth area, is just really the main point. So yeah, that's what I like to do. Okay, these two are my favorite foundations at the moment. The Too Faced Born This Way foundation, the Multi Sculpt concealer, and this concealer and chestnut, and then this Maybelline Adri one and hazelnut. So I'm just gonna use the hazelnut today because this one's just a little easier. And I noticed that like I like this one because it makes it look really smooth and everything is flawless. And as you can see, I really like a highlight, so that's what I do. And I would go in all the highlighted areas, like around my mouth, and then a little bit of my chin. I'm gonna blend it out with a beauty blender. I'm just gonna go in and just tap it in. And I just want to make sure I'm blurring all the lines so that there won't be any lines of demarcation, and kind of blending it into my nose. Now everything's all blended out and like just pretty seamless, if you ask me. So now we're just gonna set it with powder. And a few powders that I use the Fenty Beauty Honey Powder. I use the Laura Mercier Translucent Powder, but this one's a medium deep. And I also use the Maybelline Fit Me Powder, and this one's in deep. So it all depends on what you want. This one gives me a really highlighted look, which I usually do for Instagram. And these ones are like more of a natural type look because they're more close to my skin tone. But this one, the Maybelline one, a little bit goes a long way. So today I'm going to just use the honey one because I want a highlighted look today. And then the closer the powder is to your skin, the less of a highlighted look you will have. But the more it's like not, then you know, you'll get more of a highlighted look. And this one's a golden undertone that I really like. So I just lightly pack in the powder, just pat it into my skin and like wait for it to disappear. And then you go in and you go to other spots where you haven't done that, you do the same process. I don't bake, but yeah, so this is just what I do. And you want to also make sure you're applying the powder evenly so that you don't have any lines of demarcation. So you don't have to go and like edit it, or you don't look crazy anyway, so yeah. Then I'm going to apply it on the sides of my nose just so I can get a little bit of a nose contour. So that's going to help us later with our nose contour. And I bring it down a little bit to my cheeks. And then I'm going to apply it right underneath my like mouth area, because this one area is just the problem area.
Do you slide on all your nights like this? Do you try on
Now I'm going to take the Stila Deep Contour Shape and Contour Custom Duo, whatever. And I'm going to take the dark shade. So this is, I can't really find cream contours that work for me, for my skin, and I'm not even that dark. But this one works, so I use it. And I just go in and use right here. And I just focus it in like really close to kind of like my sideburns. And then just kind of blend it out. We're going to go and blend it out more, but I was kind of like placing it, and then I go around my forehead. And I go really tight along my hairline, so I don't want to bring it down too far. And because it's a cream product, like you can go overboard really quick. So just take a really light hand when you're doing this and just start to pat it in first. Because this brush is dense, you don't want to do circular motions because you can wipe away the product. So you're just gonna go in and a little bit under my mouth. You can also do your chin. I never really do this, but sometimes I do. So let's just do it today. Okay, once it's been applied, now we're gonna just go and pat it out with the Beauty Blender. You can take a brush for this. It can be a little easier, but it depends on how I feel that day. So I'm just gonna go in and pat this out and blend it into the rest of the product. Fenty Beauty bronzer in Mocha Mommy, and we're gonna just go in and go over top of that a little bit, just a little bit higher though. This one's more reddish, so it's kind of just like almost like a blush, honestly. Okay, I'm going back in and just cleaning up some of the places where I feel like I put too much contour, and I'm gonna go right underneath. Sometimes I do this and sometimes I don't, because sometimes it can become really harsh. So I like go in and pack on powder and wipe away really quick, like honestly as soon as I put it there. But if you want that super snatched Instagram look, then this would be the best for you, I guess. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and spray my face with the Mario Badescu spray. And yeah, we're just gonna make all this powdery stuff go away. Okay, while my face is semi-dry, I'm going to take this Wet n Wild Awesome Blossom highlighter and this Morphe M510 brush. I'm going to apply that to my highlighter areas. And I don't really go heavy on the highlighter anymore, I just go pretty light actually. Okay, I'm going to go in with the same highlighter and I'm going to put it in my inner corner. I just love the inner corner highlight, so I've never like skipped a step. Okay, for the lips, I'm going to take the KKW Beauty in Nude 3 Lip Liner. Just going to line my lips with this. Then I'm going to go in with the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in London. Then I'm going to apply some lip gloss. This is the $1 lip gloss from Shop Miss A. Okay, I'm going to take some mascara and I'm going to apply it to the bottom lash line. And then I'm going to do my eyebrows off camera. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. My hair is done, my makeup is done, and this is like what I would do for Instagram usually. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a like, comment, and subscribe down below to my channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!